My name is Sue Ann Park. I'm a pediatrician and site director at the Val Terrace branch at the Vista Community Clinic, and I started working in 2004. I did my pediatric residency at the University of Irvine, and my continuity clinic was at a similar type clinic, a community clinic, where I was able to serve the underserved, and I wanted to continue that work after I graduated my residency program. I think the most rewarding part of my job is, now that I've been here 6 years, is to be able to see my patients grow up. I've been their first doctor in the hospital, and I have now ushered them into kindergarten, and it's been rewarding to see them flourish and grow up well. A lot of our patients are poor or financially burdened, and whether their parents are not working or have just lost their jobs, or are working but yet can't afford insurance. And so a lot of their problems that they face are being unable to navigate the medical system, find their way to the specialists, or even know where to go. A lot of our patients have limited resources and are unable to do things like search for their diseases on the internet, or they are unable to find their way down to the specialty appointments. And we have caseworkers that will help them navigate the bus schedules and get to their appointments on time. Here at the Vista Community Clinic, we have an asthma program for our patients who are uninsured. This program is very beneficial because it provides medications, clinic visits, as well as teaching to our patients with asthma, and it helps prevent them from being hospitalized. Well, I particularly like the pediatrics department. We have a lot of camaraderie at the clinic. We have providers of different ages, from grandparents down to newly married, and so we give a lot of life advice to each other. And aside from that, we are able to share difficult patients with one another, kind of ask questions, help each other with clinical management, and that's been very helpful. I think that if you are mission driven and enjoy working in a community like ours, where many patients are uninsured or underinsured, I think this is definitely the place for you.